Do you need to replace the touchpad on your Alienware m17 R2? Well, I'm going to show you how. Also, you can click the top right of the screen to find this part or tools or additional help on our website, including written step-by-step tutorials with detailed images. Now that that's out of the way, let's jump into it. Now really quickly, ESD or electrostatic discharge, which is the buildup of static electricity on a person's body. To prevent this, you can use an ESD wrist strap and you can use an ESD mat. Alright, now first unscrew the bottom base cover. Then use a plastic scribe to pry apart and remove the bottom base cover. Next, disconnect the battery cable. Now peel the mylar covering the motherboard. Now unscrew and remove the thermal bracket. Then slide out the solid-state drive. And if your laptop is configured with a 2230 solid-state drive, follow the screw configuration as shown here. Next, unscrew and remove the battery. Next, disconnect the locking tab to disconnect the keyboard controller board cables. Now unclip the locking tabs to disconnect the touchpad cable. Now unscrew and remove the touchpad. The reassembly of your laptop is as simple as following your steps in reverse. If you still need help, you can visit partspeople.com and view printable DIY instructions to help you along the way. We also have playlists of thousands of Dell tutorials for hundreds of different models, so keep checking back. Thanks for watching.